We have covered pretty much everything that you need to know to configure the chat admin. That is the admin-v2.platoo.in backend that we use for our chat widgets mostly. There is one option that you also need to know apart from the poll Q&A, meeting room and the conference settings and the push notifications that we've covered already is the moderator setting. So what this does is it's very simple. You can add any user as the moderator for your chat. Now what this does is the moment you do this, it's going to give that particular user moderator access to the entire platform. By moderator access, what I mean is you can then delete any of the chats that would appear on the groups here. So let's just say I want to delete a particular call, and if I am the moderator, that is because I've given the moderator access to my ID, which is why I'm able to see this icon. This icon won't be visible to other attendees. But if you're going to be moderating a particular chat, it could be a help desk chat as well. In that case, this particular option is used to delete any of the chats that are going to be delivered here. So that is how this works. It's as simple as that. The moment you assign a particular moderator, that moderator has permission to delete chats in the group on the platform.